Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to know if someone has blocked you on Google Meet. While Google Meet doesn't directly notify us, there are a few signs we can look for to figure it out. Let's get started. You can know if someone blocks you when you start a meeting. For example, we have another account here, and we will block that account on our user. Since it's already been blocked, this account is now the blocked account. Now, let's say this account creates a meeting. We go to Meetings, we click New Meeting, and start an instant meeting, for example. We select this one, and let's go to this post so that everyone can join. It is open. Let's take this as an example that the meeting is open. Let's turn off the camera. Now we will go back to your account. Let's copy the link. We go back to your account. For example, this is your account, and you are being invited by others. You have received a link. Now paste your link. As you can see here, this call is open to anyone, so you just have to click there. The first sign you will notice is in the chat. Your message will not go through. If you are being blocked by the person, it will not send. It will show as failed here. That is an example of a notification that you have been blocked. Also, if you invite them to a call, it will not go through because you are being blocked. For example, if we end this call and go back to Meetings to call that person and invite them, that person cannot be invited because you are being blocked. And that's it. Now you know the key signs to tell if someone might have blocked you on Google Meet. Use these tips to stay informed and manage your meetings effectively.